Hey, what's up, everybody? Jason Wheeler here with FastPacedLoans.com, Bay Area mortgage broker, top producing agent here in the California East Bay Area. What I want to do is make this quick video for you today. The reason why I'm making this video and this quick training is to talk to you about getting a Bay Area jumbo home loan and securing jumbo home loans after a short sale foreclosure or bankruptcy. We call that a recent housing event. And recently, it hasn't been possible to secure home loans after a short sale foreclosure or bankruptcy. However, we have a private portfolio in-house program that can absolutely help you. And what I want to do is go over those guidelines with you and let you know if you qualify or not. Now, the first thing I want to do is go over what I'm going to cover in this quick video. First of all, I'm going to talk about the current wait times for conventional Fannie Mae loans and also government loans such as FHA loans. The wait times are significant, so this program that I'm going to cover for you today can help you alleviate that problem. Getting a jumbo home loan after a foreclosure, I'm going to go over the specific guidelines and highlights of what you need to do and what you need to have in order to qualify for this jumbo home loan. The next thing I'm going to do is talk to you a little bit about qualifying using your bank statements. You don't necessarily need a tax return or a traditional income to qualify for this program. I'm going to talk to you about what kind of pricing you could expect on this program, okay? And then the other thing that I might touch on real quick, is I also have a specialty jumbo product. This one is not for, you can't have a short sale foreclosure, but specifically you can get this product with only 10% down with no mortgage insurance, okay? So if that's something you're interested in, what I want you to do is go ahead and next thing I want you to do is connect with me, okay? So go to Yelp, check out what my past clients have said about me, connect with me on Facebook, on the social networks, and absolutely give me a call. Give me a call personally so that we could talk about your unique situation and solve these problems that you're going through together and absolutely see if there's something that I could do to help you out, okay? So with that, let's just go ahead and dive into these guidelines. I'm just going to take a few minutes and talk to you a little bit about these loan programs that are available. Okay, so can you get a jumbo home loan after a foreclosure, short sale, or a bankruptcy? The answer is absolutely yes. Recently, the answer was no. So in 2014, the government and Fannie Mae actually updated the wait times to apply for a conventional and government home loan. Now, these wait times, they were 2, 3, 4 years before. Currently now they're up to 7 years. Okay, if you have a foreclosure or a short sale, you have to wait up to 7 years. Now, obviously, there's exceptions in some cases that could be as little as 12 months, but 7 years is a long time to wait to go ahead and jump back into the real estate market. So we have this portfolio private program that we were just recently released in order to help people that are going through something similar just like that. So let's just dive into these guidelines. Highlights for getting this jumbo home loan after a short sale foreclosure or bankruptcy. The main key here is you're going to need to have some skin in the game. You have to save up some money and put at least 20% down, okay? So if you don't have 20% down, this program is not for you and you may need to go back to the drawing board. But if you have some significant savings saved up, 20% at least, we could get you a loan up to $2 million, okay? So it's a very significant high-end purchase here that you could qualify for up to $2 million as long as you have 20% down. This fits for owner-occupied properties, for second homes, and investment properties. The cool thing about this program is we could absolutely accept bank statements, okay? We'll use your primary personal bank statements for income. So you don't necessarily have to have a valid tax return. You don't necessarily have to have W-2s. If you're self-employed and you take a lot of write-offs, we could use your bank statements to qualify you for your income. This is good for purchase loans, refinances, or cash out loans. They all qualify. We could do this on a 30-year fixed. We could do it on an ARM type loan, and we also have interest only loans available too if you qualify for that. 3 months reserves are required. We require that you have a little bit of reserves, or skin in the game, and a little bit in reserves. Okay, so three to 6 months reserves are required. So if you think you meet those guidelines, then definitely what we want to do is talk about pricing with you and see if this is something that you can afford. Now, what kind of rates can you expect to get on a jumbo loan like this? Obviously, I can't quote rates on this video because this video is, I don't know when you're watching this. You could be watching it a year from now. You could be watching it the day that I make it. But the fact is that rates change every single day. There's no way that I could give you an accurate rate on this video. However, I will tell you that the rates on these portfolio loans after a short sale are very, very competitive with what you might be able to get if you didn't have a short sale. As an example, if you were going to secure a jumbo, if the going rate on a jumbo home loan was roughly 4%, the exception for a short sale or foreclosure could be anywhere between 4.5% up to 6%. So it depends on a couple different things such as your credit score. Can you document your income? Are you going to use the bank statement program? All those things go into effect factor out your pricing. The main thing is to see if this pricing is going to work for you. The thing that you need to do is you need to contact me, you need to get in touch with me, and go over your unique situation with me personally. Okay, so what I want to do, that's all I want to do, is real quick go over this program with you. Again, if you have 20% down, you're looking to get a jumbo home loan. You can also use assets to qualify. So we could, if you have significant assets, we could use your assets towards your income. There's a quick 5-minute calculation that we'll do to go ahead and determine that for you. So what I wanted to do is absolutely let you know that there is a solution out here for you. If you have 20% down, and you're looking to jump back into the market, and you're looking to purchase a home loan, purchase with a jumbo home loan here in the near future, then absolutely reach out to me and make sure that you know your options, that you get educated, and that you get your questions answered. Okay, so I really appreciate you being here. I really appreciate you guys spending just a few minutes with me, going over these items here, as far as the weights on the conventional loans, what it's going to take to get a jumbo loan after a foreclosure, using bank statements, what the rates might be like. Of course, for your custom quote, you want to contact me direct. And if you like this video, if you found this any kind of educational at all, or just a little bit of information for you, I'd really just encourage you to get your questions answered. Call me on the number on your screen here anytime. Go ahead and reach out to me. That is my cell phone. Go ahead, and if you're just quite not sure, check me out on Yelp. Go to Google and Google my name. Check out my website. Check out what past clients have said about me, about working with me, and how I can help them and how I have helped them. So I really just appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate you as my clients and as people that I could help, and I just appreciate your trust. So go ahead and reach out to me when you're comfortable. I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. Jason Wheeler here with fastpacedloans.com. Thanks a lot, everybody. I really appreciate it. You make it a great